Welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. It's a little bit overcast today, but not bad, and we have nowhere to go, so I am looking forward to a day of just chilling out. Also, it's cleaning day. We've gotten a lot of questions about that, and everybody kind of does their own thing. So Katie dusts, and today she helped me sweep the wood floors. Sam vacuums upstairs. Haley does the bathrooms, sinks, mirrors, that kind of thing. Olivia does the toilets, and she also helped fold laundry today, and then I am cleaning the kitchen and mopping the floors. Jason's downstairs relaxing in the basement, but that's okay. He does all the outside work, I do all the inside work, and so yeah, we have a good agreement going. Trying to clean with the kitty. Oh my gosh, cat. Stop it. All right, I've also had questions about how I clean my wood floors. So I just sweep them, and then I just use this steam mop. And I have the Bissell, I don't know, there's no name on it. I'll try and find it for you guys and link it. It just says Power Fresh Bissell steam mop. So that's all I do, guys. What you doing? Katie also convinced me to spray her hair blue today, so we just have that spray.
One day.
Yeah, one day spray, so we're waiting for it to dry because it's getting everything blue. Hopefully I don't regret that. Star Stable released Clydesdale, so we're checking them out. Or when, are they released yet?
No, they aren't coming till Wednesday.
Oh, okay. They're releasing Wednesday.
Look at that, Mom. That animation literally.
All right, we're running to Lowe's really quick because Haley broke our shower guard drain thing somehow. So we're gonna go grab another one.
Yep.
Otherwise, we've had a relatively uneventful day, guys.
I've been in the basement watching TV. I'm still in my pajamas.
Jason still has his pajama pants. So I'm probably gonna be the one that has to run in.
I'll go with you. I don't care.
Inside Lowe's?
Yeah.
With your pajamas?
Yes.
Okay. So, whoa,
Do I
bouncy.
go straight?
No, take it right. How's that colon cleanse working for you today?
Oh no, how's it working for me?
Let's just say the truck did not smell good when I got it.
I think my colon's getting cleaner. I don't know. We'll see. I don't want to just base it off of one day.
Yeah, gotta give it a chance.
Give it a few cleanses and then, you know.
A few cleanses.
It's like a dirty truck.
But
You gotta like get the main, like the crusty mud off and
oh my gosh.
work your way down to the, you know, the minor.
Turn right or turn left, turn left.
The minor imperfections in the paint. Right?
I know. I don't think that's a good analogy.
It is, right? Imagine after I get back hunting and my truck's got
I don't
like
want to
lots
imagine.
of dried mud on it, and you gotta power wash that off first. Then you go through the car wash and it gets the rest of it clean, and then you get something and polish all the little fine scratches out. It takes a few coats, or a few tries,
A few washes to get
a
it
few
all off.
washes to get it clean, man. Trust me.
All right, so Jason's teaming experience is going to be in detail for you guys. So maybe I'll put a little disclaimer before we run his teaming updates for you. All right, you guys, I have a question for you. This is personal, but since we just got done talking about Jason's colon, I figure it's okay. So, seat heater or no seat heater? Jason's new truck has seat heaters. I am not a fan of having a heated bottom. Jason, yes or no?
Yes, I turn them on all the time. I turned yours on while you were in the store getting my Starbucks.
I know, and then every time I get in the truck, I've got a hot bottom.
Nice.
No. All right, let us know in the comments below. All right, we forgot to open our calendar yesterday, so we're gonna do 16 and 17 today.
This one's day 16 and this one's day 17.
Okay, I don't understand, what's this one?
Oh, it's that thing that was in the sand pit, whatever.
Oh, yeah, okay, gross. All right, here's day 16. It's a little cupcake, and it even peels open. Super cute. Whoops, I knocked it off. And then here is day 17. It's a little roller skate, and the wheels spin. That's cute. All right, I'm not sure how far I'm gonna get, but I think I'm going to cut into this quilt, Thimble Blossoms, Springville. And I am using their Smitten fabric line. We'll see how far I get. Time for day 17. Oh, this one's pretty. It's a cream colored with reds and some minty greens in there. Super cute. I'll add that to my pile. Here's my other ones. Sorry about the bad lighting. I'm doing this at night. Here is my progress. I added this white on last night. Katie picked that color, and so that is what it's looking like so far, and then we'll see what color she picks tonight. Maybe one of these. So this is the one we just got tonight, this white one.
Ooh, I like this one.
I do too, but I don't think we should put it right next to this one.
Yeah, okay.
This one would be pretty, I think, against there, or
Yeah,
maybe
but
that
there's a
bright
lot.
red.
There's a pink in here, so I might go for something different.
Blue. We haven't used these purples.
I kind of like this. Does this color remind you of Rapunzel?
Yeah, kind of. It's like
It really reminds
pink.
me of Rapunzel. So we're going to do this kind of yellowish orange one, since it kind of ties together the yellow. And then we've got a lighter pink that fades into this darker one.
Yep. And I am almost done cutting out the fabric for my quilt. And then we need to go to bed because you have a game tomorrow. All right, someone was asking what team Jason cheered for, so he's down here hanging on the couch, and we are watching Broncos
Play the Cleveland Browns.
play the Browns.
Second quarter, they're winning 10-7.
Broncos are winning?
Yeah.
There you go. All right, tonight's tea is called Sweet Almond Green. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's little flecks of blue in there. Let's see how it tastes.
Smells good.
It smells really good.
It tastes different than I expected it to.
It tastes a little more bitter than it smells. It smells really sweet and very...
What tea is it?
It's Sweet Almond Green. It says buttery, sweet, and nutty. And it's got...
Green tea, almonds, marigold flowers, cornflower petals, and natural almond flavoring. That's good. It smells really good.
It smells amazing.
It's not very strong.
I think the cornflower petal, there was little blue petals in there. I think that was the cornflowers.
Yeah, I like it.
I don't know.
Cool. I'm excited. It's been a while since I've had one that I like.
I know, and it's different than some of the, like, I don't think we've had that one before. Yeah.
Is anyone asking how my teamie's going?
Do you want to talk about your teamie and your colon cleanse? How's that going, Jay?
It's getting clean. I can feel it. No, I like it. I like the tea. The colon cleanse tea is actually not as good as the skinny tea.
Yeah, the skinny tea definitely tastes better.
Hey, man.
The skinny tea actually tastes really good. Like, I enjoy that in the mornings. Yeah, the colon tea doesn't taste as good, but it's doing its job, right?
Yeah, well, I only done one day, so you gotta work through the layers. It takes a few coats.
Right, and we also had Mexican food last night, so he's not sure. I'm
not sure which is working better, but
right.
It's working.
It's working. Okay, oh, I just wanted to quickly thank everybody too, because we've been getting a lot of fun questions and comments, and we read every single one of them. I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to answer everybody's questions because we've had a lot, but anyways, just thank you guys for participating with us because it makes it a lot more fun. Okay, so number one. Charlotte C. Erica, how do you get over nerves when free motion quilting? So if you're a new quilter, honestly, my advice is to just do some practice on like some test fabric. So I used to just take a piece of just kind of cheapo fabric, put some batting on it just so I had the thickness, and then just, you know, just play, just try different things, just try different styles, different designs. You can also do it with a pen first just to kind of get the flow going. And then really what you have to do is just kind of jump in and take the leap and just do a quilt. I will just tell you that every single quilt I have done so far has a mistake, at least one mistake in it. None of my quilts are perfect, and honestly I kind of like that about them. It's like, just gives it that handmade touch. I don't think they look bad or anything. It's just, I made them from start to finish, and so I think that just makes them more special. So honestly, I would say to just go for it. Once you do one, it's really fun, and I think you'll be hooked. And then of course I have tutorials on how to do it as well. I'll try and link that below if I remember. So yeah, you just kind of have to jump in and do it, and once you do one, then you're hooked and you just start doing them all. Plus, go ahead.
No one else knows those. I didn't know there was mistakes.
Yeah, you can't tell.
Plus, when you wash it, it gets all wrinkly anyway.
When you wash it, it gets all crinkly, and you really can't see the mistakes in it. And I know that some of the professional quilters can do some really, really cool designs, and I definitely don't do anything fancy like that. But it's just probably one of the more fun parts of quilting. I enjoy doing that, and so I think it's fun, and you should.
Plus, you get to wear those cool white gloves.
Plus, you get to wear the cool white gloves. And it is way cheaper, because having your quilt professionally quilted can be really pricey, and so saves money too. Okay, Jane Spencer, how do you solve arguments or disagreements with your spouse or the kids? You guys don't seem to fight a lot. Well, first of all, you're watching a Vlogmas video, and I have obviously not put in any places where people are fighting and arguing. Jason and I actually don't really fight very often. No. Like, we don't get, I don't know, do we? Like, I don't even really remember us getting like a... Like,
not like, you know.
Yeah, we have disagreements about things, but not fight. I wouldn't call it a fight. It's just like a...
Right.
I don't know. And I'm always right, so it's super easy to solve that way.
I pick my battles. That's what I do. I decide, is this a hill that I want to die on or not?
Fighting amongst the kids, I usually will send both of them to their rooms. Whoever started it, I don't care. Whoever finished it, I don't care. No. Whatever it was about, I don't care. They just both get in trouble and sent to their rooms because I just don't want to listen to it. And they need to learn how to discuss things nicely and calmly and not, you know, fight and argue about things. But they're siblings. They fight and argue about things all the time, every day. So, you know. Oh, Winnie Parrish, do you and Jason do chores?
No.
Yes. What do you mean no?
Well, I do like,
You do all
I
of
do
them?
chores, but I don't do the chores. The kids do the chores.
He doesn't do the daily chores.
I paint the house, change the oil, mow the grass. Well, actually, Sam.
You do everything outside. So he does all the weeding, the grass, the tree,
yeah.
water.
And if at all possible, I make a kid help me.
Right.
Or just do it.
Right. And some of the kids do get paid extra for special like things, like Olivia gets paid extra to water the grass in the summer. Like we have little dead spots and stuff where our sprinklers just don't hit. So Jason pays her extra to keep the grass alive all summer. Sam got paid extra to mow the grass this summer. So we kind of do that. And then we pay them like weekly chores. Everybody gets the same amount. And then those are my inside stuff. So obviously I feel like I'm doing nothing but chores all the time, picking up after people, but they all have their daily chores that they do too. And so yeah, we all kind of help out around here, but Jason and I still do.
I don't know. Yeah, I guess that's true. Sorry.
We don't consider.
It doesn't seem like chores. I think of like dishes and
Yeah.
vacuuming, and no, I don't do any of that.
Yeah.
But like home maintenance, yes, I do.
So there you go. Okay, Tina Poole. I think that's how you say your last name. How do you pronounce your last name?
Aren't, like are not, only aren't.
Aren't. Like, aren't you glad we did Vlogmas this year?
Yeah.
Jen Whip says, I have a question about the yarn. Do they have a yarn of the month program? And yes, actually a lot of the dyers do special monthly yarn clubs and things like that. Just check a Homespun House's website and she has up her clubs and kits and things. There are some other ones. Legacy Fiber Arts is another one of my favorites. Yarn Inc. is another favorite. Barnyard Knits is another favorite. And all of those ladies are hand dyers. They dye all of their yarn and they all do special clubs and things like that. So highly recommend them. They're all different. They're usually one of a kind. You won't be able to get those colorways later, things like that. So Linda Knowles, how many walks a day does Bandit go on? And do you take turns walking him?
Yes. He goes on 2 a day, and two
Sometimes
kids take them in the morning.
Sometimes
well,
3 in the
at least 2
summer
a day.
when it's nice out. In the winter, it's cold and it gets dark early, so 2.
Yeah, usually 2 for sure, sometimes more. And yeah, we pair the kids up and 2 of them go in the morning, 2 of them go at night. Sometimes Eric and I go.
Yeah, kind of just depends. We kind of, yeah, whoever's sort of free at the moment, and yeah, we kind of rotate. Also, she asked how the gingerbread turned out. You should be seeing that in last night's video. Yeah.
Oh, they were amazing.
Yeah, I think it was last night's video that you should have seen that. I don't even know what day it is at this point, but yes, they were really good. Did you like them?
Yeah, I loved them. They were like, yeah.
Yeah, we've never made those before, so that was our first time Katie and I did those, and I think they turned out really good.
Yeah, I had like 3 of them.
I used a recipe from geniuskitchen.com, most wonderful gingerbread cookies. It's geniuskitchen.com, the most wonderful gingerbread cookies. They got, stop it. They got 5 stars. Yeah, so I think they turned out really good. I was worried because there's a lot of molasses in them and they smelled really molassesy, and so I was like, but they tasted really good. They were really good. Definitely will make those again.
I like the frosting too.
Yeah, and the frosting was just regular royal frosting. We use Wilton recipe, so super easy. All right, guys, I think that's it for us tonight. Thank you for joining us today for Vlogmas, and we will see you tomorrow for more. Bye.
Bye.
I like this tea.
Yeah, I do too. All right, the Bronco game's on. Let's go.
All right. Are you farting?
No, that cat is moving the camera.
Oh.
Come on, homie. Nice. All right, let's go.
Those aren't even gonna stay in your head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
All right, I'm gonna watch Broncos.